I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to transfer your balance from an old SIM to a new one with TIM in Italy, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Gather your information. Make sure you have both your old SIM card and new SIM card handy. You will also need your phone number and any PIN or security code associated with your account. Step 2. Insert the new SIM. Put the new SIM card into your phone. Make sure your phone is turned off while you do this to avoid any issues. Step 3. Access the TIM app or website. Open the TIM app on your phone or visit the TIM website. Log in using your account credentials. If you don't have the app, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play. Step 4. Find the balance transfer option. Navigate to the section for balance transfer. This is usually found under Account Settings with Services. Select the option to transfer balance from your old SIM to the new one. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Follow the prompts to confirm the transfer. You may need to enter your old SIM's PIN or verification code sent to your phone. Double check that you're retransferring the correct amount. Sometimes, the verification code can take a few minutes to arrive, so be patient. If you don't receive it, check your old SIM for signal issues. I hope this helps you make a smooth transition to your new SIM. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.